Hi guys, welcome back to a new Fine Lines video. Really appreciate you joining me for this one. We're going to draw this building, which is a 16th century manor house in Somerset in the UK. These are the pens I'm using. I've listed them here so you can refer to them. A number of Copic markers, some Touch 5 markers, some Pro markers by Winsor & Newton. I draw the black lines with fineliner pens and a jelly roll for the white lines. I colour in the drawing first on top of my sketch, which is in pencil. I hadn't actually realised this, but when you try and rub out the pencil lines after the sketch, if you've already added the marker pens, they don't actually rub out, so be careful of that. But I've left them in the sketch in the end. It makes it look rather freehand, but that's okay, I think. So I'm just adding the greens here, base greens first. So I just tend to add things that are at the front of the drawing in first. So obviously the foliage and the trees are in the foreground, and the building sits in the background, so I do that once I've added the layers of greens to the foliage in the front. So it starts off being rather faint at the start, and then I gradually increase the colour depth, the density of the greens. As I go, I'm sort of feeling my way through this drawing at the moment. Adding in I think it's a Copic moss colour, really bringing out the dark bits of the various plants that surround the building. And now for the building, I'm adding a soft caramel, Copic caramel colour to the facade. It starts off being quite faint, and I increase the density of this colour again, similar to what I did with the vegetation. I love this colour, it's really warm, really helps kind of bring out the sunshine that's shining on the back of the building here. It's the thing that attracted me to the reference photo and the reason why I wanted to do this drawing. I enjoy this part of the sketch, adding in the dark greys for the windows. So I tend to use a light grey and a dark grey. It just all depends on how you want to portray the window itself. I tend to go with a very dark grey, and then I can draw the white lines over the top. Gives a good effect. I'm adding the shadow here from the building, so the back gable of the building is casting a shadow across from right to left So it's the sun is coming from the right hand side, top right of the drawing. At this stage I'm adding the black lines to the drawing, defining the objects, the foliage, the planting, the round topiary shapes at the foreground, and defining the building itself. thank you very much for watching this drawing, the demonstration. Hope you enjoyed it. And here's the reveal. Peel off the masking tape and rub out some of the pencil lines. As I said before, some of them remain. Added marker pen on top. Here's the original drawing and reference photo. Click on another drawing if you'd like to stay with me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.